This is a quick video on how to enroll your students for the upcoming school year using Enrollment Express. Please visit sis.dvrhs.org/public and sign in to the Parent Portal with your Parent Portal account credentials. Once signed in, select your student's name from the blue bar that appears at the top of the screen. Then, on the left-hand side navigation panel, select Forms. Note, returning students' parents or guardians will need to complete the annual registration process that includes sections A through E. They will also need to do a change of address if the student has changed their address recently. Parents and guardians who have students who are new to Del Valle Regional High School will need to select their student's name from the top blue bar and then from the navigation sidebar, select Forms. They will go to the new student registration section. This contains sections NS1 and NS3 that they will need to complete with information regarding their new student. Note that you can always save for later if you are unable to complete all sections of the form in one sitting. You then also have the choice to be able to submit. If you have any questions or concerns related to Enrollment Express form completion, please reach out to Yvonne Magala via email at yvonnemagala@dvrhs.k12.nj.us or by calling 908-996-2131 extension 6302.